First and foremost, I want to introduce myself to everybody. For those who don't know, I go by Zay, Too Smooth Zay, Zay, whatever you want to call me. I prefer y'all to just call me Zay, man. But either way, um, I've really been trading for about how long has it been, bro? Like since 2018, I want to say. I've been trading for a brick. So I know a fair amount of stuff in this market. You know what I'm saying? I work alongside with my boy Mino. Shout out to bro. I took a break from trading. He's like, yo, bro, you got to get back to this shit, man. Like you too good at it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, you right, bro. Just give me some time. You know what I'm saying? Once I had my son, I was just like, bro, just give me some time, bro. And I'm back. So I'm glad to be here with y'all, man. So I know we got a lot of new people in here. Um, the main thing I'm going to focus on in particular is just the basic stuff when it comes to trading. So I'm just going to talk about the basic stuff that you see, like support, resistance. Should we just look at EA, like just do basic support and resistance and everything off of EA since we're currently in it?
Yeah, definitely, but that's a good pick for sure.
All right, cool. Let me see. We're gonna strictly go like for like a beginner, someone that's just starting with trading. You know what I'm saying? So everybody knows the platform that I use in particular is called TradingView. I'll use TradingView because it's easy for me to mark up my charts, place little symbols, draw lines, all of that good stuff. You also can use MetaTrader 4. Let's start here. I've seen a lot of perfect. If y'all can drop y'all questions, let's do that. Y'all drop y'all questions in the chat so I can specifically go over the questions that y'all have. That way I won't just be rambling and talking. Um, but the first thing that I want you guys to focus on, the very first thing is understanding when a signal is called. That's the main thing right now because right now you're learning, you're trying to figure out how to make the money. The most important thing is to understand how to take the signal. Because if you don't know how to do that, then it's kind of like you're not going to make money while you're learning this skill. So let's go ahead and pull this chart up. We'll pull this up. Let's move this out of the way so I can see. All right. So I've seen in the chat a couple of times that people ask, "Is it too late to get in? Can I get in now?" And things of that nature. One thing that we've been trying to do really hard is like put the entry price on where are we getting in the market, so you guys can see for yourself if it's too late to get in the market. So let's say somebody just now seeing that I told you guys to get back in EA, Euro, AUD for a buy, right? Let's say you're just now seeing that. So if you look at the signal and you go back and look at your chart, and I'm going to place this here, it's telling you that the entry price is at 1.62940. Guys, right here, you have like a little line that's pretty much telling you where the market currently is. If you're looking at it, it says 1.63139. Okay. Now, is that number higher or lower than the entry price? Where market currently is at, it says 1.63165, and the entry says 1.62940. Are we higher than the entry price, lower than the entry price? Which one are we? Let's see. Y'all look quiet. I'm waiting on some responses. I ain't gonna tell you the answer.
Come on, guys, let's do it.
It's gonna help y'all out a whole lot. Let's do this. Okay. Entry price. 1 point. And look, don't be afraid to say something because you think you might be wrong. It's okay. Because either way, you're gonna leave this call knowing the answer. So a wrong answer, a right answer, it don't matter. Just say what you think because you never know. You can help somebody else out. This is a no judgment zone. Market higher than entry price. Absolutely. Market is definitely higher than the entry price. And I'm going to show you guys why. So I'm going to show the entry price, the profit level, just 1.64, and then the stop level, 1.67, 62, 769, 1.62, 769. Perfect. Here we go. All right. So as y'all can see, right, I say the entry price is 1.62940. We enter this trade literally right in this area. Now, like I said, sometimes I see a lot of messages in the chat. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that at all. If you're asking, is it too late to get in? Because you don't know. But if you look at the entry price, which is here, look at where market currently is, you can see that we're way above where we enter the market at, right? So I know some people be like, hey, I'm 5 pips up. Hey, I'm 10 pips up. Okay. How do you know how many pips market is currently up from entry? Right here is a little tool, a measurement tool. You click, you start at your entry and you stop it exactly where market is at. So this means that we're 24 pips from entry, right? Me personally, I'm not getting a trade where people are already 24 pips up. I'll just wait. If I missed it, I missed it. You know what I'm saying? I feel like anything that's over about 5 or 10 pips, I say 10. If it's over 10 pips, I don't touch it because I'm a little too late to the party. That don't mean that market might not come back down and get you a little bit close to entry. That don't mean, if it's more than 10 pips, I personally won't take it. That's just me. Some people might say, hey, I'll still get in. But that just means you're going to be risking. Understand that you're going to be risking a lot more compared to the person that got in here. So now instead of risking 17 pips, you're risking 39 pips. All right. Now, let me see. Somebody said talk about pips, risk calculation. I'm about to talk about that right now. All right. So I want you guys to understand something. Everybody know what lot sizes are, right? If you don't know what a lot size are, lot size is, it's pretty much the unit that you're trading with. So I don't know if I still have this document or not, but a 0.01. Who knows what 0.01 lot size is? If the market goes up, that's 10 cent in the upward direction. If it goes down, that's 10 cent in the downward direction, depending on if you're buying or selling. If you're buying and it goes up, you're making 10 cent. If you're selling and it goes down, you're making 10 cent, depending if you have a 0.01 and so on and so forth. I say as a new person starting off and you're taking these trades, try to stick with maybe a 0.01 or a 0.10, which means 10 cent or a dollar. And the reason that I say that is you'll be able to understand the pip count. Okay. If you start putting bigger lot sizes and crazy lot sizes, you're not going to understand how many pips you're getting. You just see the money amount. Right. And that's where a lot of people get messed up at because you're focusing on the money and not focusing on like, okay, how many pips am I catching? Because that's the thing that you want to focus on, not how much money am I making, how many pips am I catching? Because the pip's going to tell you everything. If you're risking 17 pips to get 106 and you have a dollar lot size, can somebody tell me how much they're risking if you're taking this trade with a dollar lot size? If you're going to get 106 and you're going to risk 17, what is your how much money are you risking? Somebody tell me that answer. Remember, we're using a dollar lot size and you're risking 17 pips,
$17.
$17. How many pips if you're trying to gain 106, how much would your profit be if your take profit hits at 106 with a dollar lot size? Anybody know the answer to that?
106.
$106. So with this trade specifically, if you're using a dollar, which me personally, I'm using a dollar lot size on this trade. So if I lose this trade, I will be losing $17. But if I hit take profit and win this trade, I can potentially make $106 off this trade by only risking 17. All right, y'all follow me? If you can't, if you know what I'm saying, if you can't say anything, drop a one in the chat so I can make sure y'all follow me. So Mino got you on that, Kareem. All right, y'all say y'all following. Okay. But okay. I just want to make sure y'all understanding that part because taking these signals and seeing when y'all see that this type of text in that signal chat, y'all need to know what's going on, right? So if you just seeing that and entry price was here and market is all the way here, then you will know, okay, if I get in this trade, I'm going to be risking $39.60 because it says 39.6 pips stop loss, right? Your entry is here, your stop loss is here. So it's telling you your risk and it's telling you your profit. 106 profit, 39.6 risk. All right. Now, I want you to understand something. Depending on what your account size is, guys, you want to use proper risk management. Okay. And that's completely up to you. I really can't tell you guys what lot size to use, what's proper risk management for you. Me personally, I don't like big lot sizes. They scare me. You feel me? Because if I'm in multiple trades and I got big lot sizes on each, my account gonna get ate up if it goes the wrong way. So I don't mind risking 17 pips off a dollar lot size. I'm cool with that. I can lose $17. You know what I'm saying? But when it comes to dropping a $10 lot, now I'm losing 170 and I only got 200 in my account. That's crazy work because now I'm risking almost 70% of my account off one little trade. All right. So the biggest thing that y'all want to do is make sure, look at your account, see what you can risk, and decide, okay, I got a $100 account. I'm okay with, if I got to risk 17 pips, I'm okay with maybe like whatever lot size. Like I said, you only go from a 0.01, so on and so forth. All right, let me see if I can find that document, man, so it can make more sense to y'all. I feel like I dropped it in the chat before. If y'all can find that, let me know. But if not, I'll send it again. It's pretty much just saying understanding lot sizes. Understand, if you can understand the lot size, you'll know which lot size to use, which you're okay with risking. But 17 pips, it's up to you. 0.01, that's $1.70. You're risking $1.70 to make $10.60. And then you just multiply that. So if you use a 0.05, 17 pips divided by, you know what I'm saying? Like it's just simple, it's kind of simple math, but you're gonna need like that chart to really understand it, right? So do y'all follow me on like when it comes to, I'm gonna send that that document though, so you can understand the lot size. But am I making sense when it comes to how to look at the signal and determine if it's too late to get in or if you need to alter maybe your lot size or whatever? Is that part making sense to y'all? If not, please let me know. I don't mind going back over it. I don't mind finding that document to further explain it. But if it's not making sense to y'all, please let me know. This is what these calls are for. We only really have them once a week. So this is the time for y'all to ask those questions that y'all ask in the chat to get a quick response. Let's open. Let me see. I think it's right here. Yeah, here you go right here, y'all. Y'all can see this? All right, y'all see this? The lot size chart. All right, so it automatically tells you 0.01, 10 cents per pip, 0.02, 20 cents per pip. You're risking 10 pips on a 0.01, that's $1. You're risking 20 pips on a 0.01, that's $2. Right? So this right here is going to help you guys figure out, okay, what lot size should I use depending on your account balance. You got 500, you know what I'm saying? It's completely up to you. What percentage of your account are you okay with risking on one particular trade or one particular entry? And I'm going to drop this in the chat for you guys too, so you can have that. Any questions? Any questions so far on that part when it comes to taking a signal? Any questions?